good afternoon. I'm waiting for you guys to come online. And I understand this is a time of much movement in our lives. It's almost like nothing is the same. Everything is changing. Everything is moving at a very fast, rapid rate. So I wanted to at least record something for you so you can watch at your convenience when you feel like watching. And at least you have something. So I wanted to continue our ECA classes of sound relaxation, because we have been building this class. We are together since August 2019, and we have been building a certain type of energy, a certain type of awareness, a certain pathway, a certain way of paying attention, paying more attention to relaxing our bodies, our minds, our thoughts, and slowly is starting to listen just a bit more, to listen between the lines, to listen to ourselves. And what a great, great, great opportunity to apply and practice all that we have been learning here to, in this time of crisis, just feel good and be centered and be in peace with all that's happening. I would have loved to listen to you and know how you are dealing with this. What are the thoughts? What are the feelings that are permeating through you? What are you feeling around all this? All of a sudden, there's no school. All of a sudden, there's online learning. All of a sudden, it's a lot of focus on electronics. All of a sudden, parents are home, or some parents are not home, but they are probably more present. And how do we deal with all this? And I would have loved to listen to you, but you can always send me a message through WhatsApp. I will give my number to your parents and we can talk about it if you like. So I felt like leaving a message to all of you of encouragement, of courage, of hope, of strength and power and love. Saying that the best immunization that we can possibly have is when we feel good about ourselves. Because when we feel good about ourselves, we are not creating stories in our minds so much. We are not judging ourselves. We are just accepting ourselves. When we feel good about ourselves, we can just relax. We don't have to prove much. We don't have to conquer much. We don't have to compete. You know, we don't have to compare. We are just there living our life in peace. And I have been practicing this a lot. How can I be centered in the middle of this movement? How can I be in peace in the middle of chaos? But it's like if you have ever been stuck in traffic in Sao Paulo, let's say at 6 p.m. one day, and you're just stuck, nothing moves, and you are inside your car, and your car is very comfortable at a very good temperature, and you have the best music playing, and you're just there singing and feeling wonderful that you can take the time to listen to this beautiful music and sing this song, then traffic, everything that is mess around us, it just melts away. And the only thing that matters is that moment. So for me, the way I find this inner peace is by watching my breath. And we have been doing some different types of breathing during the classes. And today I want to invite you to do this one breathing technique, which is very, very helpful because it can, at the same time, increase like the fire in your system and gives you more energy. It can also burn, like fire burns, it can also burn away stress. So this breathing is called breath of fire. And the way we do it is by, it's almost like we are blowing a candle, a birthday candle, through the nose. So we do like this. We do a little pressure to put the flame out. And then the breathing in through the nose again becomes automatic. So it goes like this. We have done this in class several times, and today is a time that we can do together here in this online meeting. So we can do a count of 60 inhale and exhale cycles. And then I'm curious to know, how do you feel before and after that? So we're gonna do it together now. So get ready, prepare. Try to sit with your spine straight and your head up and your shoulders are open. Like let your heart be open. And you just rest your hands on your knees and you can close your eyes. And we're just gonna start doing this breath of fire breathing 60 times. Okay, are you guys ready? So off we go. Now breathe in, hold the breath, stay for a count of 5, and then breathe out. And keep your eyes closed. Just notice how you feel now. See if there's any change. You don't have to name it or to know exactly what it is. Just feel if there is a change in your overall state of being, of feeling. I bet that is because I feel it. Very good. So now we can open our eyes again. And I want to share with you another breathing exercise, which is very good for balance. So this is called a pranayama in Hindu, in Sanskrit, which is the sacred language of the yogis. And the way we do it is like we are just like modulating, balancing the right brain hemisphere and the left brain hemisphere. The way we do that is by closing one of our nostrils. So for example, we take the right hand, we close the right nostril, and then we breathe in only through the left hand, to the left nostril. We go like this. When we finish inhale, when we finish inhaling, we close the other nostril, the left nostril, and then we open the right one, and then we exhale through the right. And then we inhale through the right, And then we close and exhale through the left. Again, we inhale through the left, close, and exhale through the right. So we're gonna do this exercise 6 times, 3 times for each of the hands. Because if we are doing with the right hand, it's nice to do with the left hand as well. So let's do this together again. We're gonna start with our right nostril and right hand. So place your thumb on your right nostril, inhale, close the left nostril, exhale through the right, inhale through the right, close the right nostril, exhale through the left, inhale through the left, close your nostril, exhale through the right. Last time with this hand, inhale through the right, close your right nostril, open your left nostril, exhale through the left, and rest your arm. Now let's do with the left hand, close your left nostril, inhale through the right, close your right nostril, exhale through the left, inhale through the left, close, exhale through the right. I'm gonna allow you to do it by yourself now, 2 more cycles. And rest your left hand. Just breathe normally and see how you feel. Keep your eyes closed and see if you are more relaxed now. So I invite you, I'm just going to close my video for 1 minute, less than a minute actually. I'm just going to grab something here. So I want to invite you to listen to the sound of the kalimba. And if you can, lay down or just close your eyes and just let the sound take you on a journey to your favorite place, a journey to maybe where you can imagine that you're doing something that you cannot do right now. So let's say be outside, play soccer or something like that, or hug a friend or something like that. So let the sound just take you on that journey. Okay, so ready? Let's go. Close your eyes, relax. Just relax. If you are laying down, just allow the heaviness of your body to rest on the ground. And if you are sitting, just let your eyes be shut so you can surrender to the sound. Well done. So now come back and slowly, gently open your eyes. We're here again together. And just again, just feel inside. Feel it. Feel how is it that you're feeling right now? Do you feel like it's different than before, than when we started? Do you feel slightly better, slightly worse? Whatever it is that you're feeling, just embrace it, accept it. And I hope we can go through these times holding hands together, united, feeling strong, this sense of community that we are here to support each other. I want to tell you guys that you can always count on me, send me messages, and ask anything you might need. If you are feeling stressed out, you can always send me a message and we can talk. Or otherwise, we can just meet again next Thursday. And if we cannot meet in person, we'll do it online again. So I want to also send you a suggestion of a meditation by a very dear person that's on YouTube. I feel like he's a friend of mine already. That we can do together, maybe in the morning or before we go to sleep, and just to clear any thoughts and just come back to ourselves. Okay, so I thank you for listening and for practicing with me. Let's keep in touch, and I send you much love to your family. Lots of joy and strength for us right now to go through this time that we are facing. Okay, guys, big hugs. Bye bye. See you next week.